Okay, so here I am coming in late night. Late night at the shop. To do something I just don't have time during the day to do. And this is the typical car, M3. Young guy, you know, he's online buying everything there is to buy, wants to set his car up, wants to hook it up, goes to a shop who shall remain nameless, and $32,000 later, guy picks up his car. It's supposed to be done in a month. Okay, it's supposed to be done in a month. It was there like 6. Most of the work is fixed now, but the car left, didn't even make it to the guy's house. The brake line broke off. All kinds of nonsense. And, you know, I purposely stay away from performance work. You know, I mean, I do my own stuff here. You know, we do, you know, this is an in-house LS twin turbo swap from my car, my G-body, that I'm trying to get done. I can just never find the time. But we do our own in-house performance stuff and custom work and whatever you want to call it. And I don't go on Facebook. I don't beat my chest. I don't jump up and down. I don't even advertise it. And sometimes guys will come to me with their car that was at another shop, and they'll ask me to fix it up, go over it, or they're just not happy with what was done, and I finalize the car and whatnot. So I get this car, 32 grand worth of work, and holy crap, I was embarrassed for the guy when I saw all of the mistakes, all of the problems. This guy's now into me $7,000 just to straighten the car out. So I just, you know, guys, if you're gonna go out there and say you do performance and tuning stuff, and you make power and you're God's gift to the world and performance work, do it, and do it right. And if you take a man's money for that kind of work, make sure he's getting what he paid for. You know, I as you can see, I do the daily drivers, you know, day to day, in and out stuff, you know, and then I have like my own stuff, you know, my own, you know, race car I'm trying to finish off, you know, and tons of other odds and ends. But, you know, now I'm here late at night. Fucking dog's going crazy. Probably found a mouse. I'm here late at night because, of course, like with everything custom, okay, everything, I should be cleaning this mess up in the back, and I got rears to paint and reseal that we sell on eBay and all. But instead, what am I doing? I'm over here making shims for the guy's struts, because they put these struts in his car, okay? And I don't know how it went or what the story was. I don't even know where. Here it is. This is the shim. This is the shim that came with this strut. How are you going to put that in a car and feel good about it? What guy is going to take this strut, expensive strut, and sit there and put these in it and that in it, and then say, all right, this is a good fit? It's ridiculous. So now I gotta find this piece of stock. I'm just gonna make a couple of nice shims that fit nice to get the noise out of the front of the car. I mean, you know, I'm getting to a point where I think what I'm doing, in lieu of a new building I'm moving into at some point, you know, I'm in the middle of buying a building, and then a guy that owns this one, after years of me trying to get him to sell it to me, realizes I might leave and now wants to sell it to me. I don't know. I'm all screwed up. But what I think I'm going to do is, I really think that I'm going to start doing performance and tuning. And I think I'm going to buy a dyno, probably an all-wheel drive dyno. And I think I'm going to dig in, because when I find out someone spent $32,000 on this kind of shit work, that means there's money to burn. Money to burn. So I don't know. Again, I don't pride myself on being any more than just a, you know, European auto repair shop owner and a guy who's built this business from the ground up by doing what's right. I gotta return my guy's flashlight because I'll never hear the end of it. But, well, they borrow my shit and never put it back. But like, it boggles the mind when someone takes a guy's money for work and does shit work to the car. And he's all over Facebook and he's all over the internet and he's got this reputation. He's got T-shirts with his name on it. Pat himself on the back. I don't get it, man. Take a person's money, do the job right. So what I think I'm going to consider, the only problem I got is trying to find competent, capable people to work for me doing this stuff. You know, I got an in-house welder fabricator. I got that. I got my techs. As you can see, I have more tooling and equipment than necessary for everything and anything fabrication. I mean, I know the place is a cluttered mess, but that's because I was supposed to get into the new building a while back, and we have some overflow here. So ridiculous overflow. And of course, the machines for sale and all that nonsense. And yeah, round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. But I don't know, man. I don't know. 32 grand, and the car looked like ass with oil leaks from the front to the back of it. Horrible workmanship. And you know what? I got the shop. I always veered away from performance and tuning, but I think it's time I jump into it head first and start building some serious cars for people. I mean, it's time. It's time, and it's work. And as long as they're going to pay me, I'll do it. I will do it. And maybe I'll even bust out some of the old school nonsense back here and really start making some cool trick performance race and tuning things. I don't know. Every time I get one of these cars and it's the same story, I got to come back here to make something for it. So, all right, is what it is. I rambled enough, and this is just another stupid video of me being pissed off at some asshole taking somebody's money and doing shit workmanship. So, off to the lathe.